What's up, everybody? This is Blue Hair Dave, and I'm here with Big Sean over here. He's in the back.
What's up, guys?
So I'm doing a tutorial video, and I'm going to use one of his accounts just to set something up. And I'm going to show you how to integrate Clickfunnels with Mailchimp. And Mailchimp has free accounts, and you can send up to 12,000 emails in a month and have up to 2,000 subscribers in there. So if you're just getting started with a small list, you want to do it for free with an ESP that's going to inbox for you. I'm going to show you how to set all that up so it's free. Everybody loves free, right? So we're going to show you how to just set it up. Sometimes there's confusion and people ask, well, how do I integrate and this and that if you're a beginner? So we're going to go over that right now. We're going to show you how to set up an autoresponder when somebody gives you their email. And so in general, you're going to offer somebody something, free offer, a self-liquidating offer, a lead magnet. And the easiest way to do that is to host it somewhere like in your Clickfunnels account, and then send an email out on an autoresponder that sends it to them. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first you're going to want to, if you haven't, sign up for a Mailchimp account, and it's going to be, you get a free account. And I am going to, let's see what we have here. So when you go to your funnel, you're going to need to integrate this to your funnel. So I'm assuming you have a funnel, and if you can watch one of the other videos to figure that one out. So if you want to do an integration, what you do is you go to Clickfunnels and you go to add new integration. He's already got one in here, but I'm just going to come do the walkthrough here. You click on Mailchimp, and they want you to name it something, so name it whatever you like right here. Then they want the API key. You find the API key by looking up, how do I find my API key in Mailchimp? Or you can navigate to Extras API keys, and you will find the API key there. And that is all you need to do. You enter it into here and hit add integration, and it will now be part of your account and show up in your integrations area right here. It'll also be available when you go to add it to your funnel. So if you want to integrate with your account, go to your squeeze page. This is one of his squeeze pages that he's building right now. And you go to edit page. And when people sign this up, you want to tell them what to do, right? So in the top, you want to integrate it. So he's already got it. We're going to remove it though. And you just basically go integrations and you go select integration. You just added it. So it's sitting here, right here in Clickfunnels. You want to add to list and then select the list you have in there. In their free account, you can have one list, which is fine because it's going to be a small list to start anyway, right? So we're going to add them to the list and it says send, confirm, or do not. I say do not send confirmation email because that would be a double opt-in. You can do that if you'd like, but I'm going to say we're not going to do that here because I want to get the people the stuff they ask for sure. So then you hit save. That part is done. So now when somebody goes to a web page and fills this out and hits download free now, their email is going to go into Mailchimp. Now we want to tell Mailchimp to send out the book that we're going to promise them here with this training routines. Okay. So what you do is you go to your Mailchimp account, and then you go to campaigns or whatever, and you go down to automations. And if you haven't created one, there'll be a thing here that says start automation, and then the next window will say send a welcome email. And this is what it's going to be. It's going to be ours. So we already popped this in here, so we're going to go ahead and create it now. So it sends to contacts right when they join, because when they hit their stuff on Clickfunnels, they're going to be joining this list. You want to put your from email in here from your domain that you created. If you're part of the BHD plan, you've seen a video on that, and I'll have to add one for free as well. So then you want the subject to be whatever you'd like, but you kind of want to make it something like, congrats, here is your, what are we setting up here?
2 free workout routines.
Here are your two workout routines you asked for. Woo! All right. And then preview text can be, grab your 2 incredible routines now. Okay, that's just the preview text that kind of shows up in, like, sometimes you'll be in Google Gmail and you'll see like something that shows up like right after the subject. And then we'll make the content of the email. So we're just going down, but we're going boop, boop, boop in a row. We're going to edit the design of the email. They've already got some stuff in here. If you want to put a logo in, you can. I try to take pictures all out and I'm just going to delete all these and start from scratch. So, you can leave that in there. I like to use text because text works the best. And when you add a little text file here, skip messages, buddy. Okay, you can just edit it right here and it shows up. Text has the best inbox delivery over anything. Images will screw that up. Even these images right here will actually mess up your inbox, believe it or not. So get rid of those. All right, so we're gonna say, hello, I am so excited to be working with you. And you can write whatever you like here, but I'm just gonna type what I might type. So excited to be working with you. No use in beating around the bush. Let's just jump right in. I will be contacting you with support to help you obtain your fitness goals. So please feel free to contact me at any time. It is my passion to help people feel and look better and get stronger. All right. Yep. Right. Yeah. Something like that. So you can type whatever you like, and we're just going to, for the simplicity, and then we're going to say, download your free workouts here. Okay. Sincerely, Sean. Okay. You can put whatever you like here. Okay.
Big Sean.
All right, sincerely, Big Sean. But remember, we're just showing you how to do it right here. So sincerely, Big. Oh, whoops, wrong one. Jeez, Big Sean. All right. We should do the Big Sean. All right, capitals, okay? So now, you're going to be like, well, how do they get their stuff? Well, we're going to make a link here, okay? And we're going to send them that if they click this link, it's going to download something. Now, in your Clickfunnels account, you can hold digital assets. So if you want to add an asset, you hit new asset. You download it from your computer, a maximum of 3 megabytes. If it's over that, another technique is to use your Google Drive. If you don't use Google Drive, you should. It's way cheaper than Dropbox. It's way easier to use, and it works with all the Google Suite stuff, which means you've got free documents, slides you can make. Everything is free. There's no need for Word or any of the Microsoft products or any of the Apple Dropbox products. It's a lot easier to use, so I recommend it. And you can share all this stuff for free, and there's a pretty big limit. So you download it, you name it whatever you want to name it, and that's really all you need for here. And then you hit add, and it's going to show up right here. So Sean, this is his product he wants to do. So it's already downloaded here. Go copy asset path. So now it copied the link. And we are just going to make this a hyperlink. So we highlighted it, and we're going to go to link, paste it in there, and that's done. So when somebody gets that email, they click that, it's going to download the PDF that he offered them for free to their computer. And that's it. Save and close.
Both of them.
Save and close. Yeah, if you're giving 2, then you'll do 2. But this is a tutorial, so. Should we add the other one?
Yeah, add the other one.
Okay, let's just go ahead and add it. Oops. It's weird. Wonder why it does that. Formatting. Get workout number 2 here. He gave him 2 free workouts. What a guy. What a guy. All right, and so we're going to go to
I thought so too.
Copy asset path. And we're going to go back.
There's no way you can't opt in.
So we copied it, and there we go. Yeah. Now you got to opt, not 1, but 2 different workout plans. And these are nice workout plans too. So if you want workout plans, go to Sean's thing. Because we were looking at it, and it was like, he's like, does that look good enough? I'm like, bro, most people send a spreadsheet, so This actually is awesome. So I would do this.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, this is nice. It's nicer than the stuff I send out. Look at that. Look at you. You're like an artist. This guy's like an artist over here. Okay, so save and close. Save and continue. This is done. Okay, that's it.
Oh.
You just hit start sending, and when somebody signs up, it's going to get sent. Okay. That's all it takes. So let's go ahead and just test this out, right? You can also create different automations, and I don't know if they charge for that on the free account or not, but it's free. If it's free, it's me, right? So let's go to this preview here. Let's type in, like blah, and type in whatever. You know what? Yeah, we don't have an email account. It's all right, we're gonna do this. Okay, and it goes to his page, and he's got these two great people on his video.
It's not my. That goes to the other. I was working on another.
Yeah, well, he's still working on the funnel, but we got it.
I didn't put the split test over.
Yeah. So let's go see our account and see who's in the audience over here. Now we have 2 contacts. We had 1 before.
Nice.
So it worked. And he's got an email, I bet, in the next minute from himself. Do you have access to that on your phone?
Yeah.
So he's going to go look at that right now. But it worked. It just added us. So that's essentially done. So I showed you how to automate, or how to attach your Mailchimp account to Clickfunnels. That's not up to date because we had 1 earlier, so. And we just added this one right here, and the source was API. It just came in, so we're good. It'll get it out eventually, and the people will get the email, and it'll have all the links in it that you wanted, and that's it. So it's super easy to set up Mailchimp for free with Clickfunnels, and to have it send out your autoresponder. Now, you can also set up other chains in the autoresponder by adding more to it. If you want to give them a set group of emails every day, so the next day you're going to want to make sure you got this or whatever it is you want to put in there. Follow up, maybe you want to sell something to them further. Did you see the plan I had where you can join my group for $47 a month? That kind of thing. But it's real easy to set up your autoresponder, and that's just day 1 or whatever you sent there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this and it helped out, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.